Microstock is all about consistently uploading large volumes of high-quality content across multiple marketplaces over a longer period of time. Consistency is what helps you rank higher in the search results and generate a strong, steady income. That's why it's essential to automate your workflow as much as possible, so you can focus on what really matters: shooting more content, traveling, and enjoying the freedom this business can offer. Hugokurk.ai is a powerful tool that helps you generate accurate titles, descriptions, categories, and keywords for your files. Simply upload a batch of images or videos, and the AI does the work for you using advanced image recognition. Within minutes, you can download a CSV file and import directly into your preferred marketplace or submission software. Just like that, your entire batch is fully keyworded and ready to go. The accuracy is impressive. It recognizes buildings, landmarks, and detailed elements within your content. And it can even read GPS data from your files to automatically include location information. If you want to speed up your workflow and scale your portfolio, this is a great tool to use. You can get 10% off your subscription via the link in the description.